Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will show you how to speed up your Android Smart TV. So for this guys, first method, open your settings and go down. Now open the device preferences and select here about option. Now go down. You can see here guys, build option. You click on 6 to 7 times continuously, 3 to 1, and now your developer option is enabled. Go back here, go down and go down. Now open here guys, developer option. Go down here. First open here guys, Windows animation scale and select here minimum option like this, animation scale 1, and you can select the minimum option. And the next, open the transition animation scale. Same here guys, select the minimum option, animation scale 1. And the next, open here animator duration scale and select the animation scale 1. Now once again go down. Now you can see here background process limit. Select this option and select here guys, at most processor 2, 1, or you can select the standard limit. Select the minimum option like this, standard limit. And after you go back. If you want to disable the developer option, open the developer option and turn off this enable developer option. You turn off this option and go back. The method number 2, turn off location. Open the settings, open the device preferences and go to the down. Open the location and simply select the location status and select the off. Select the off and go back. Now method number 3, you disable or uninstall unnecessary or unwanted apps. So for this guys, open your settings and open the apps. Now select here see all apps. Find here guys your unnecessary or unwanted app like this, a power mirror app. Open this app. You disable or force stop the app. Select the force stop and select the OK and go back. Method number 4, clear the cache and data from apps. So for this guys, open your settings, open the apps and open the CL apps. So check here guys and find the apps one by one and clear the cache and data from the apps. For like this, open the YouTube app and you can clear the cache and data. Select the clear data and select the OK. Now you go back. Method number 5, disable or turn off auto update. So for this guys, open your Play Store, open the Play Store select the user profile icon, click here, and the next open the settings, click on settings. Now you can see here guys, auto update apps. Open this. Next select here don't auto update apps, select this option and go back. And the next here guys, method number 6, turn off usage and diagnostics. Open your settings. Now go down, open the device preferences, and next here guys, open the usage and diagnostics and simply turn off this option. Like this, you off this option and go back. And finally guys, last 7th method, you turn off the security and restrictions. Open your settings, open the device preferences and go down. Now open the security and restrictions, and you can see here guys, verify apps. You need to enable this option. Enable this option and go back. After follow these methods, your smart TV will be faster than before. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.